This video demonstrates how to power on and set up Wi-Fi on Xerox B105 and B115 Multifunction Printers. Ensure the power cord is connected to the printer and an electrical outlet. Open the tab covering the ports and sockets. Install the printer network connection using LAN. Note: the Ethernet option is only applicable for Xerox B115 Multifunction Printer. Install the fax connection on the printer. Note: the fax option is only applicable for Xerox B115 Multifunction Printers. Close the tab covering the ports and sockets. Press the power button on the control panel to turn on the printer. The printer is fully powered on and ready to be set up when the installation wizard appears. On the control panel, press the up/down arrow buttons to select the required language and press OK. Select the date format and press OK. Set the date using the alphanumerical keypad on the control panel and press OK. Select the time format and press OK. Then set the time and press OK. Select the metric defaults option you want to set and press OK. Select the default paper size and press OK. The printer provides an option to allow upgrade. Choose Yes to upgrade. If not, choose No. Select the admin passcode option as No and press OK. Select Cust, Support and Supplies Order. Enter the number as applicable, then press OK. Select Yes to complete the setup. If not, choose No. The machine initializing screen appears, and the configuration sheets gets printed with the IP address. To configure the wireless connectivity for Xerox B105 and B115, the printer provides an option to complete the setup process using the Xerox Easy Wireless Setup. Connect a USB-A cable from the laptop/PC to the USB-B port of the printer. To open the program, search for Xerox Easy Wireless Setup on the computer. Open Xerox Easy Wireless Setup program. Select the network from the list, then click Next. Enter the network password, then click Next and click Finish. The setup is complete, and the printer is connected to the network. Print the configuration report, and the IP address will be available in the report.